this was a Facebook Live, and I love repurposing the Facebook Lives because Facebook Lives, I usually walk through, like, in this one, I walked through the long form CARES Act guide that I did. I just, did a Facebook Live because Facebook Lives obviously get a lot of engagement. They show up first on people's news feeds. So I love doing Facebook Lives. And then what happens is, using that content that kind of just gets created really quickly. And now I can put this, and I love the headline here. This is what freelancers need to know about stimulus checks. Like, that is something that was at the time
So
really,
relevant.
yeah, really, like, everybody had questions about this. So having this and the fact that it's alive makes it feel like this, even this image, like the screenshot here, it makes it feel like, oh, this is like up to the minute relevant information, because it's not like a super polished recorded video. Like, I still, like, my hair isn't even brushed in this video, but and then below I just promote to the guide that I had. And so this allowed me to kind of share this on so I took a Facebook Live, and now I can share it on Instagram and on Twitter and in the groups. And it's just a real small nugget. And these real small nuggets, what they do is they build authority, because it's like this 2-minute video of like really relevant, critical information makes people say, oh, if this is in this 2-minute video, there's clearly a longer stuff. Like, she obviously has a lot of information about this, and then people want to follow me because of this. We actually turned one of these, I'm not sure if it was this one, into a Facebook ad as well, and pushed it right to the PDF guide, and so drove paid traffic to it as well, because it was something that people were so interested in. We ended up getting like 10-cent clicks from it was either this one or repurposed from that same Facebook Live.